Lawyer Divinagracia is among the private lawyers assisting the House prosecution panel in the impeachment trial of Vice President Sara Duterte. She was the lawyer of the late Public Works and Highways Undersecretary Maria Catalina Kathy Cabral. On day 18, Divinagracia conducts the direct examination of office of the Vice President Assistant Chief of Staff Lemuel Ortonio, who was declared a hostile witness by the impeachment court in connection with Article I of the Articles of Impeachment. Which involves the alleged misuse of P612.5 million in confidential funds, P500 million from the OVP and P112.5 million from the Department of Education deemed. The private prosecutor is a litigation lawyer and a name partner at Conazario Velasco Catera and Divinagracia CNDV law offices. During the House prosecution team's briefing in June, Mamamayang Liberal Representative Leila de Lima introduced Divinagracia as one of the private lawyers joining the prosecution team on a pro bono basis. De Lima described her as an expert in commercial, civil, and criminal litigation. Divinagracia also has legal expertise in arbitration, product liability, corporate rehabilitation, intra-corporate controversies, labor and family law. Divinagracia earned her Bachelor of Science in Legal Management, minor in Marketing from Ateneo de Manila University in 2003. From the same university, she graduated Juris Doctor in 2007. Also in 2007, Divinagracia began her law career and was named a senior associate 5 years later. In 2013, she also founded the Aguila Rances and Divina law offices before she joined CNVD Law. Outside of her legal practice, she also works as a professional lecturer at the Ateneo de Manila University College of Law and Ateneo de Naga College of Law. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the spectacular world of 1,000 vlogs.